if we all just made 10% difference, if you just think about giving 10% of your time to help anybody out, 10% to help someone in your community.
Today we have a great visit. We have Chef Guy Fieri, one of the stars on the Food Network. He came in here to talk to all our cooks that we have in the program about the present and the future that is coming in the hospitality industry.
When you hang out with people that are interested in doing things for their community, typically those are the people that are going to go to the next level.
I'm so excited that Guy Fieri came over and just took time out of his busy schedule just to be with our students. And they just grew, they were so excited. And I think, you know what? I think he was just as excited as the students.
So we just bought a house in Lake Worth, and I found out about the school. I met the mayor and had a great talk. She was telling me about the culinary arts program. I mean, there's not all schools have culinary arts or have vocational training. So I said, if they're doing that and they've got this many kids, there's probably a way I can help out through my foundation.
Today, the Guy Fieri Foundation would like to make a $20,000 donation to the cause.
To be so personable with our students, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We're so happy to have him here in the Lake Worth community, supporting our school, not only financially, but the words of wisdom that he shared with our students today are going to live with them forever.
If they want to be a chef or not, it doesn't matter. Cooking is a life skill that everybody needs to have. And this is I mean, I'm so impressed with how this program's going. I'd heard already great things about it, so to have a first-hand visit was great, and hopefully we can contribute some more.